Today we'll be learning about the alphabet. Let's start. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for hat. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for juice. Juice. K is for key. Key. L is for lobster. Lobster. M is for mushroom. Mushroom. N is for nest. Nest. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for panda. Panda. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for robot. Robot. S is for shark. Shark. T is for tomato. Tomato. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Z is for zipper. Zipper.